Yo, welcome back to Pree Dis Sports with Casmar. And of course, if you're just joining us, we're here at the Spot Sports Bar and Grill right on the UWI Mona campus. And of course, it's about that time for us to get into our music video premiere. We have banging new joints this week. Check them out.
I cry a river, flowing, 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 flowing. When you say you're going, oh, this can go on. But you're fantastic, boy, you're marvelous. Your positions got me delirious. Damn, I fell for you. There's no breaking up, don't wanna share you. But if I must, I must. So I'm gonna love you when you're here with me, and love you when you're gone. Situation so wrong, but babe, the love is so strong. Enough to love you when you're here with me, and love you when you're gone. Into another girl's arms, I deserve better.
Alright, Pree Dis, we're outside the Spot Sports Bar and Grill, and of course this is the smoking area. Remember, general surgeon warning, do not smoke, it causes lung cancer. Right now we're gonna get straight into the Pree Dis Sports, and this week we have UWI and UTech playing a basketball match, and trust me, UTech put up a fight, but of course UWI walk out as champions. Now Pree Dis Sports, mad. Of course, we're going to have to go back inside the spot. We're outside right now, and the spot is where it's at. We're going to take our second commercial break, and we'll get back. We still have a lot more right here on Pree Dis. We're so forward.